Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're joined by Stefan from DOP Choice, and he's going to show us a couple of his new modifiers.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
Yeah, hi Adam. We are proud to show you our new Universal Snapbag for Fresnels. Basically, you normally need for Fresnels like a speed ring. So this system is without any speed ring. You can rotate it as you are used to it. So how does it work? It's a fully collapsible snapbag, and you just slide in the barn doors of your light and fix it on it, and you're done.
Very nice.
Yeah. And we also have some other product. It's the tube snap grids. In here you see the version that we are doing for the Astera tubes that are quite popular, but you also do it for the Kino Flows, for the Quasar Science, BBNS, whatever tube brand. So it's quite simple. You can just take it and fold it together like that. So it's very compact and fits in each and every case, especially for traveling. It's a big advantage. And if you want to go bigger with a bigger snapback, we have a rabbit ear system, and this family has also grown, so we are almost to each and every panel light compatible to.
Very cool. All right, Stefan, thank you so much for showing us that. Very cool stuff.
Thank you.
We're going to be walking around a little bit more at IBC. Make sure you stay tuned for all of our content. Don't forget we have a $5,000 Cine Gear giveaway that you can read about in the description below. Stay tuned for more. Adam Frimmer, DIYPhotography.net.